Today we're going to do a different type of quiz. This week we have been learning about radiuses and or radii and circumference and area of a circle and circumference of a circle. So today we're going to do a different type of quiz. I want you to please first gather the materials you're going to need for your quiz. You're going to need two different type of Sharpies if you have it, or two different colors, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, and some scissors. If you don't have a ruler, I posted one online that is an actual ruler. Then I want you to go around the house and do a scavenger hunt. I want you to go around the house and find as many circles as you can find. So I went around and I found these circles in my home. And then what I want you to do is I want you to choose one circle. And I want you to take your circle and I want you to use your pencil and trace it. When you trace your circle, be very careful and just go around it. Okay, there you go. There's my circle. Okay, and I want you now to use your scissors and I want you to cut your circle around. Be as precise as you can. You're not going to be 100%, but be as precise as you can. Have fun with it. So because we haven't learned how to find the radius of a circle, I'm going to show you today how you could find the radius of this circle. So what we're going to do is just going to cut around it as best you can. Once you cut around it, I'm trying to stay as close as the line as I can. Once you cut around it, you're going to have this really nice round circle. And it's the circle that belongs in here. And I just used any old piece of paper. I recycled it. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your circle and you're going to fold it in half. Try to be as neatly as you can. Take one of your colors and just do the edge right there. Color the edge. And that's going to be the most precise diameter we could get right now, since we really don't know how to find the diameter of a circle yet. That's going to be your diameter. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to measure it. Okay. So my diameter is 2 inches and 2/8. So I'm going to mark diameter equals 2 inches and 2/8, which I could reduce to 2 inches and 1/4. Yes, 1/4. 1/4, right? Now, I'm going to find my radius, because in order for me to find the area of this circle and the circumference of this circle, I need my radius. So I'm going to just fold it in the other way. And like I said, later on in geometry, you're going to find how to find the exact radius. But for right now, we're just, going to have fun with it. So I want you to now just highlight the edge as best you can. And when you open it, you're going to see the radius of the circle. So here's the radius. And I'm going to measure it. And that's going to be 1 1/8, and that's perfect because that's exactly half of the diameter, 1 1/8. So my radius is 1 1/8. Now, I want you to take your circle and I want you to find the circumference of the circle, and then I want you to find the area of the circle. The circumference of the circle, like you learned in the PVS lesson, is 2 pi r, which means 2 times pi times r. 2 times pi is 3 14/100 times the radius, which is 1 1/8. Okay? And I know that 1 1/8 is going to be 1.125. How do I know that? I'll show you. 1 divided by no, excuse me, not times. 1 divided by 8, and you're going to get 125 thousandths. So that's what I got here, 1 and 125, okay? So that's how you find that. So now you're going to multiply that by 3/14. Okay? So you're going to get your answer. You're going to multiply all those numbers together, okay? So the answer for that, I already found it earlier, is circumference equals 7.065 inches. Now, for the area is pi r squared. Pi is 3.14 times radius times radius. Okay? Now, 3.14 times 1.125 times 1.125. When you multiply all that together, you get area equals 3.9740625. But you're going to just go ahead and do your rounding. I forgot that word, rounding. Okay, and that's going to be inches squared. Okay, so I want you to submit yours, not mine. Like I said, go around your house, find a circle that you want to draw, cut it, find the diameter, find the radius, and find the circumference of a circle, and find the area of the circle, and submit as your quiz for this week. Please put your name on it. Please put the date on it. And please put the period on it. Okay? If you have any questions, you know you could always email me, right? Okay, well, thank you and have fun. Bye-bye.